There is a wide variety of edible plants in the Pacific Northwest, including a few different types at Columbia Springs. Let's learn more about the forageable plants here as well as their uses. There are multiple species of edible berries at Columbia Springs. One of them is the thimbleberry, which is characterized by its large, soft leaves. It is often called nature's toilet paper because of its size and feel. Thimbleberries have 5-petaled flowers and small pink berries. The stems are thornless, which makes picking this berry easy and delicious. Another edible berry is a salmonberry. This plant has 3 leaves that can look like a butterfly. The pink flowers eventually produce berries that can be yellow, orange, or even red. They are ripe in the spring, one of the first berries to do so for the season. Both thimbleberry and salmonberry are tart and mildly sweet. You can also find blackberries at Columbia Springs. We have 2 types, trailing blackberries and Himalayan blackberries. Trailing blackberries, also known as Pacific blackberries, stay close to the ground and have blue stems with smaller thorns. These berries ripen earlier in the summer, and their leaves have 3 points, as opposed to the 5 pointed leaves on Himalayan blackberries. Himalayan blackberries can grow taller and have thicker thorns and stems. Blackberries can also hybridize and contain traits of both types, which can make it difficult to identify them. These berries are all related and belong to the same genus, called rubus. Also known as brambles, the berries they produce are made up of multiple tiny sacs, called drupelets, each containing a seed. In contrast, a drupe, such as a plum or peach, contains only 1 sac and 1 seed inside. Due to their drupelets, all of these berries are technically not classified as a berry. Instead, blackberries, thimbleberries, and salmonberries are called aggregate fruits. True berries contain 1 sac and multiple seeds, such as a blueberry or a cranberry. However, many aggregate fruits are most commonly thought of as berries in typical conversations in everyday life. Nobody would ever call a cucumber or a banana a berry, even though they technically are. All of these berries can also be eaten right off the vine or used as a main ingredient for jams and jellies. However, there are other berries here at Columbia Springs that can serve other purposes. Salal is a bush with oval-like alternating leaves. It produces drooping flowers that eventually turn into small, dark blue berries. While these berries are edible, they do not taste very appealing. Instead, they can be mixed in with other berry foods, such as jams, as filler to stretch the berries and create more bulk. Another berry used for this purpose is Oregon grape. These berries are also small and blue, but instead they come from yellow flowers. The leaves are waxy like salal, but are shaped differently. They look spiky and do not alternate. Now you know some cool facts about a variety of berries at Columbia Springs. Thank you for listening, and we hope to see you soon.